Alan here for our presentation assembly. Yes, as you can see, it is Friday, the 21st of October, and we're here. Half term is here. What an amazing half term it has been as well for these year 1 and year 2 children who've earned themselves certificates throughout this half term, and they've been working so hard. It absolutely is amazing. Now, you're not going to see a great deal of me today, just amazing children. I'm going to start this morning with our year 1 children. Here they come. We're going to start with those year 1s with the top 3 in each class who've earned their house points. It is amazing. Look at all these house points these children have been earning. Mr. Ackerman and Mr. Pinner's class. We've got the top 3. So we've got Quinn on 21, Letty on 22, and Arafat there on 24. Fantastic house points, guys. And if you multiply those by 5, you'll see how many merits they've earned. So really well done. And then in Mr. Pinner's, we've got Logan on 19, Nella on 20, and Ruby Lee on 21. Look how close it is. There's only a few house points in it from those top 3. So well done, you 6. Absolutely amazing. Well done earning so many merits throughout this half term, and keep it up next half term. Well done. In year 2, look at Miss Begum and Miss Hall's house points as well. Very similar. These children are earning lots and lots of house points, and obviously lots of merits. You've got Amelia Rose on 18, we've got Lola on 19, and we've got Jack just on the lead there and 20. So well done, Miss Begum's class and those top 3s. In Miss Hall's class, we've got Lucas on 21, we've got Lily on 22, and we've got Ollie on 23. So again, really close, but well done, guys. If you multiply those by 5, you find out how many merits all of those children earn. So really well done to those year 2s as well. Fantastic work. Keep it up. On to year 1 and our English stars. These guys are going to be taking their English certificates home with them. We've got Letty, we've got Hannah, we've got Aiden, and we've got Myas, all working so hard throughout in all of their English lessons. So well done, you 4. Enjoy taking the certificates, and keep that up after half term. Well done. On to our math stars. Look at these mathematicians. You've got Quinn, you've got Darby, you've got Armandas, and we've got Erin. Well done, guys. You've been working so hard in your maths mastery lessons. It's fantastic to see. So really well done. Making amazing progress and just knowing all of your numbers. It's brilliant. So really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today, you superstars. On to our science stars. Look at these scientists. Look, all outside as well, doing their science as well. We've got Bella, we've got Logan, we've got Alfie, and we've got Oliver. All working hard in science throughout this half term. Really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today, you superstars. You've won the Science Star certificate for the presentation assembly. Well done. On to our history stars, and we've enjoyed our history this half term as well in year 1. So we've got Phoenix, we've got Alice, we've got Naffy, we've got Arabella, and these guys are so inquisitive, asking lots of questions, but actually knowing a lot about history as well, which is really helpful, and sharing that with their partners and the rest of their class as well. So really well done, Arabella, Naffy, Alice, and Phoenix, for working so hard on history. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Well done. Our reading stars. Now, not only will these guys get a reading certificate, but they're going to get a reading book as well, a brand new reading book to take home with them. So we've got Zachariah, we've got Nella, we've got Elijah, and we've got Arafat. Well done, guys. Well done on doing so much reading as well. Reading every day, and these guys reading twice a day. It's phenomenal. So really well done, and I hope you really enjoy your new reading book as well to take home. Enjoy it, guys. Thank you for being so brilliant at reading. Well done. On to our PE stars, and these guys have been really physically active all the while, and actually a couple of them represented school as well at Norwich City, which is fantastic. So we've got Jensen, we've got Mikey, we've got Max, we've got Kobe Ray being physically active, just whether that's break time, lunchtime, PE and games lessons, all of those things, and even representing school, as I said, as Max and Jensen did as well recently in a football competition that we went to. So really well done, you guys. Huge congratulations. Keep it up. Keep being physically active. Keep being fit. It is amazing, because it'll just serve you right when you get older as well. So keep that up. Enjoy taking your PE certificates home with you today, you absolute superstars. On to our year 2s. Look at our year 2s now with their phonics. Look at these guys. They've been doing their phonics and working really hard. So we've got Jessica, we've got Georgia, we've got Jamie, and we've got Yasmin working so hard. And look at them reading their reading part as well with Jamie and Georgia. Super work. Big smiles on your faces. So really well done, you 4. Enjoy taking your phonics certificates home with you today, you superstars. Well done. And we've also got our history. Oh, how much have we enjoyed our history? Look at these smiles on these guys' face. The Great Fire of London. So we've got Amelia, we've got Sarah, we've got Lucas, and we've got Lola. Loving the Great Fire of London, the Tudor work, and fantastic. And I really enjoyed as well going with these guys on their trip to Strangers Hall. It was a fantastic day. And these guys are so inquisitive and so good at their history. So really well done, you 4. And you can see that by their smiles on their faces. Enjoy taking your history certificates home with you today, you superstars. to our reading stars. Now, not only will these guys get their reading certificates, they're going to get a brand new reading book to take home as well. So we've got Zara, we've got Oliver, we've got Emily, and we've got Elizabeth reading at least twice a day, some of them, and over the weekends. So really impressive, guys. Keep up that reading, and I hope you really enjoy your new reading book that you take home today as well. Enjoy it over half term. Well done, you guys. On to our maths stars. Look at these mathematicians. Look how hard they look at the maths as well and their books. Kylo, look at that. It's phenomenal. And Raphael, well done, Raph. Super work. So we've got Kylo, we've got Toby, Marcy, and Raph working so hard. Partner work there with Toby and Marcy working so hard. So really well done, guys. Keep up that amazing maths. Enjoy taking your certificate home with you today, superstars. Absolute brilliant mathematicians. On to our scientists. Look at these scientists as well, working scientifically. Again, look at the work. Look at Jack and Betsy's books. Absolutely amazing. So we've got Jack, we've got Esme, we've got Alfie James, and we've got Betsy working so hard in their science throughout this half time. Really impressive work, guys. Keep it up. And big smiles on their faces as well. So they should be. So really well done. Keep it up, guys. RP, look at these PE stars being really physically active, and some of them as well representing school at things, football things that have gone on as well this half term. So we've got Ava, and we've got Bailey, we've got Esme, and we've got Lincoln, all being physically active, break times, lunch times, and in their PE and games lessons. So really well done, and thank you for representing the school so well in all the competitions that you've done as well, guys. So really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. You superstars, well done. And finally, I thought we'd just see the golden ticket winners throughout this term. There's an amazing number of children who've won themselves a golden ticket as well. I'm going to give a special shout out to all of these children. Here they are, as you can see. So we've got Mikey, we've got Bella, we've got Domas, we've got Jensen, Nafi, Phoenix, Yasmin, Lily, Isla, Hayden, Kylo, Esme, Johnny, Theo, Quinn, Jack, Nia Jade, Emily, Katie, Lily Rose, Zara, Georgia, Oakley, Erin, Letty, Jack, Marcy, and Jacob. So well done, guys. Fantastic number of golden tickets going out to those children. And if it wasn't you, don't worry. Let's see if you can get on this list for the Christmas presentation assembly. But well done to all those children for earning themselves a golden ticket this half term. Huge congratulations. Well done. Just as I said at the beginning of assembly, weren't they amazing? What an amazing group of children, and all those golden ticket winners as well throughout this half term. It was phenomenal, so really well done. If it wasn't you, don't worry, just copy those children, because who knows, it could be you when we come to the Christmas presentation assembly, so look out for that. As you can see though, look, it is Friday, the 21st of October 2022. We break up today at 3:15, ready for our half-term holiday. So we've all got a week off coming up, so well done everyone, worked really hard, well-deserved rest coming up. But just a little reminder for parents, we are back on Monday, the 31st of October 2022. We're back on that Monday, gates open at 8:30, ready to start the second half of the autumn term. Everyone, please have a really safe and well-deserved rest over half term, and until Monday the 31st, we'll see you all then. Bye-bye now.